Kikubor ki babnia, Myntri Rangbah gejala ukonrat ki sangma ula ban Biang ya gejingkut jingmut jong Assam-Meghalaya ban Pynskhem ikikam ya kaciaput bat ke Assam ha kerukom ke basuk Saiñ da kebaya daru ya ki hok jong ki ba. Hadin kejingalang keken huan Myntri hanin kesngi usangma ula kedau ya gejingya cakmat jong kekam. Hadin kejingalang kemi benia bat Myntri Rangbah ke Assam himenta biswa sarma da kebakedau ba prapau hadu kendai pau na kashispa jong kekam jurip lala ban pendep ha hendriu teli gicaka ba kamduna kecinya kacia hapo kecinya te kular jong usnem hajar ar da kebaong ba kadei kesin jam ke bansa kenma ha ke history ha kebayadei bat kecing pen itu puut ke bapura nalor ki kam ki badang ya kicaka ki ba kamjuat kum ka pilang kata bat Malang Joypur Myntri Rangbah ula bancur halor kesin jam kebayat bet ya denti bat kebabu hakmat ya ki ba da kebakentup lang ya ki regional committee bat kicing trelang bat kinong shnong bat kular ru na kebenta kicing shimkia kabakloi ban penne ya kesuk Saiñ ha shilenter kapun.
The first way is for the state governments and the people to come together and come to a conclusion and say, look, this is Assam and this is Meghalaya and this is Biang. And we are happy that at least in 6 locations we have reached to that point. Now the other 6 locations, we are hopeful that we'll be able to negotiate, discuss, find a way forward. And if the dialogue and discussions don't work, then the only other option is court. And there's no other way. So really we are stuck. So whether we want to leave everything in the court's jurisdiction and decide that whatever the court decides, or we'll continue to talk about it. These are only 2 options is what I'm saying. I'm not saying we're going to do that, but the options are only 2. So we are hoping that the political dialogue and the discussions that are taking place within the 2 states will lead to a constructive conclusion, and we will have that map that we want.